Unbelievable gadgets. Your life will never be the same. Technology can make your life easier or more complicated. In this video, we will be covering gadgets which will make life so much simpler for you, so stay tuned. But before we continue, I would request you to subscribe to our channel. Subscriptions help grow our channel, and I really appreciate your support in this regard. Alright, so let's begin with the Mach 1 portable foldable hammock. If you are one of those people who always wishes to go to a tropical place for a vacation and just chill out on a hammock, but abandon the idea because you cannot find a tree, then this gadget has been designed for you. Unlike other hammocks, it does not need a tree for installation and is much more comfortable than a traditional hammock. In addition, it comes with a bunch of accessories, which includes a net for bugs and an additional trap for rain and quilts for when it gets chilly outside. This is also super portable, so you can carry it wherever you are planning to go. The next one on this list is the Chovery window cleaner. This window cleaner is ideal for cleaning your office windows and allowing some natural sunlight into that beautiful office. All you have to do is plug in the window cleaner and put some cleaning cloths made of microfibers and then power it. The robot will actually move 10 square feet in all directions. You will need 2 sets of microfiber cloths per cleaning session, which can be used either dry or wet. Shift Cam Lenses case is the next gadget which will completely change your life. This lens case is for protecting those 3 precious camera lenses of the latest iPhone stuck in your jeans. This robust lens case gives you 5 more lenses to add perspective to your iPhone's picture. You can also switch out these lenses to give you a unique look of what you're seeing through the camera. With added functionality, the Shift Cam lens case is also very tough, which is a great thing to have if you are planning to have a country tour where wear and tear is to be expected. Megaloop Magnetic Power Bank is the next life-enhancing gadget. This gadget will save you the hassle of carrying too many wires and cables to charge your devices. With this magnetic power bank, you can keep scrolling on your social media feed without entangling yourself in wires. All you need to do is plug in and keep using your device as the power bank will keep charging itself. Also, there is another version of this power bank which is less bulkier and also has an LED display which tells you how much battery is left. Once you have packed this power bank in your bag, also pack 2 additional adapters in the bag. Now the next one on this list is something to help you while you are outdoors enjoying the hike. We are talking about the Stink Boss Shoe Deodorizer. No one is a fan of smelly shoes, which can stink up the whole hotel room. The whole thing just kills the vibe. We have just the thing for you, because ordinary deodorant simply cannot deal with the kind of potent odors coming from smelly feet. This gadget combines a dryer, sanitizer, and deodorizer, which combines heat and ozone to completely remove the smell and dries your belongings. With this in your backpack, you can continue with your adventures. Many times when we are dealing with the day-to-day grind, we have to leave our laptops and precious belongings behind. This gadget will give you peace of mind that your laptop is protected. We are talking about the Trine Control Alarm, which will ring if anyone comes into contact with your device. The device will calm down once you are close again. All you need to do is synchronize the device with the app whenever you are walking away from it. This is a great way to ensure that your device remains protected. Next up is the absolute must-have for night owls. We are talking about the rechargeable book light, which will not disturb your loved one's sleep while you work your way through your favorite novel. This device enables you to read about 200 pages, or about 3 hours on a single charge. Alternatively, if books are not your thing, you can use the device to knit your favorite grandkid's sweater. All you need to do is clip these lights on your glasses, and a soft but illuminating light starts following your head movement. This makes sure that the light is not intrusive and does not wake others from their sleep. The device also works well if you do not wear glasses. In this case, just attach the light to your AirPod, and that should work equally well too. The last gadget in this list is the Wayne Lux handheld laser for engraving. This is the absolute best personal gadget if you have a small business or you are a big fan of personalizing your items. This device can help you bring all sorts of creative designs to life, and the gadget is portable enough to carry anywhere. Additionally, you can use this device to engrave almost anything, from leather to metal to food. The upper part of the laser can rotate about 180 degrees. All you have to do is choose a design and connect the gadget to the phone and start engraving. That brings us to the end of this video. Please press the like button if you found the video interesting. Stay tuned for more content. Cheers!